What is the place of a supply of mobile connection? Can it be location of supplier? Mobile connection. I'm getting a mobile connection. So what is my registered address? That is a place of supply. If I don't give the registered address, the supplier who provides the SIM card, his address will be place of supply. Can it be location of supplier? Yes. When the address is not been given by the recipient of the service, then the location of the supplier will be what is section 12? Section 12, na? Yeah, section 12. For domestic suppliers and for international suppliers. Ah, okay. Domestic suppliers, the address. International suppliers, when international suppliers, we'll see. The location of supplier of a mobile service cannot be the place of supply as a mobile companies are providing service in multiple states and many of these services are interstate. The consumption principle will be broken into location of suppliers taken as a place of supply and all the revenue may be go to few states where suppliers are located. The place of supply of mobile connection would depends on whether the connection is a postpaid or prepaid basis. In the case of postpaid connection, the place of supply is a location of billing address of the recipient of service. In the case of prepaid connection, the place of supply is a place where the payment of the connection is received. Such prepaid vouchers are sold. However, if the recharge is done through internet or e-payment, the location of the recipient of service on record will be taken as a place of service. Okay, because prepaid na the Amazon will sit there in Delhi and they provide all the service. The income will go to Delhi. But when this difference, what is the difference? When the place of supply is when the supplier, when the recipient gives a detail, this address, the address will be taken as an place of supply. It states says supply of telecom services in the location of a recipient of service. In case of international service, on international company is coming to us, what Tesla is coming to India. Now from US, they are providing server satellite services. So they are selling this box now, where which is the place of supply. They want to get GST, and in India, the place of supply recipient. That is, I get services from Karnataka. Na? From Karnataka, it is taxable. It is the Karnataka is a place of business. Super.